What the hell? Let's call a tow truck. Don't break it.
Don't worry.
Fuck, you broke it.
No. Look, there's a yellow button here. This is the vehicle's emergency shift button. Aim the car key at it. Press down. You don't have to hit the brake. You can just shift normally.
You just saved me $800.
This is an emergency switch on the car. Let me tell you a few more. Some can save money, some can save lives. Second, the car key is out of power and the door will not open. There is no keyhole in the door. Just pop out the mechanical key. Align the small hole under the door handle. Pry gently. Remove the plastic cover. Insert the key into the lock hole. The door can be opened. Third, all cars now have electronic screens. After using it for a long time, it is very stuck and even crashes. No need to spend money to fix it. All you need is a toothpick. Aim at the small hole on the screen, press and hold for 5 seconds. The screen will restart and work like a new car. Fourth, don't panic if the brakes fail while driving. Lock the electronic hand brake switch by hand and do not release it. The car will stop smoothly. Fifth, if there are old people and children at home, be sure to open the child safety lock on the rear door. Once opened, the child cannot open the door while sitting in the car. Finally, if you listen carefully, it may save your life. If you are stuck in your car and can't get out, don't panic. Get out of the back seat and into the trunk. On the door panel of the trunk is an emergency escape switch. Look, this is it. Flip it in the direction of the arrow to open the trunk for emergency escape. Have you learned it?
I am Mech Alec Tech. Follow me.
Go to the home page to learn more about cars.